So just quickly on how to load a setup file. All you have to do is on your grid here, bam, which the grid has not just the grid but also has the VTA installed on this. You right click and you hit Expert Advisors and Properties. Boom. There it is. Now, this is your control panel. This is where you change all your settings, and when you have a settings file you can save it, but you can also load another settings file. So when you hit load, it brings up your Explorer window. Now, sometimes you may have downloaded one, or what you may want to use is not already in this folder. So what you can do is find it in its other folder, like it'll probably be in your download folder. Like I'll show you my quick download folder. So here it is. So it's in my downloads folder, right? So you might find one in another folder. You might have downloaded it. You may have emailed it or some other way. But I can drag from here and here. Boom, and I can just move it. See, it says move to presets. I'm not going to do it now because I've already got a copy in there, and the one here doesn't have the password saved in, etc., etc. So once you drop it in, now once it's in here, you can just load it in. Boom, and hit open. And when you hit open, boom, now it has your settings file. Then you can add your email and password in there, right? You can save it as another name, save it whatever you want, then hit OK. Now you've got the settings that you want in there, you've got the settings you've downloaded. Now you can save your template, which doesn't just save the settings file, but also saves everything about this grid in the shape that it is. It just saves it all. Boom. Then you can save your template. And when you save your template, I save it as two things. I give it an actual name that I can always refer to. Probably I'll save it the same name as the settings file, but something like that. You have your own name. Right here I have this name as the settings file as my template too. All right, that might be confusing to you, but maybe add the word template. I don't know. You might have your own way of naming it. However you want to do it is fine. But also save it twice. Save it as the default template also. So you have your favorite as the default template. So whenever you open a new currency pair, it'll open up as that template. In MetaTrader 4, if you save it as default, it becomes the one that opens automatically when you open up, say, a new currency pair. So say I hit, what's one that we don't have up right now? Aussie dollar. Boom, there it is. It has that settings file. It has everything good to go. So that's in a nutshell how to do that.